Hello and welcome to Projects, the online application used to coordinate all project-centered communication between members of any project. In this tutorial, we will look at how individual users can request vacations, how project managers can deal with those requests, and how the outcome of these decisions are communicated back to the users and the rest of the project team. Let's use 5 existing projects users to demonstrate vacation requesting, namely Luigi, Willie, Hogan, Frankie and Mario. I have already logged into their accounts to save some time. In general, when a user makes a vacation request, this request is received by all of the user's project managers for their approval. A vacation is only approved if all the project managers accept the vacation request. If one project manager rejects the request, then it is rejected outright. A rejection must be accompanied by a reason which is communicated back to the user. Let's see this in action. We will use Luigi as our user making the requests. Let's check out his account to see the projects for which he has some involvement. We can see that Luigi is a member of 7 projects, all of which are managed by one of the other users we have logged in with. Let's navigate to Luigi's user profile, where we can make our vacation requests. On this page, we have 2 sections, personal vacation management, and if the user is also a project manager themselves, we see project vacation management, displaying separate cards for each project managed by Luigi, which are ultimately used to manage the vacation requests from members of those projects. But for Luigi, we will only consider his personal vacation management in this example. Let's add a vacation request. Luigi's remaining vacation days, here, are adjusted accordingly, and a new pending vacation request is created and displayed. We can hover the request to see more details of that request. We immediately see the projects and their managers that will receive the request. Now let's navigate to Frankie. Notice the vacation request notification. Let's go to the notification and click the link. Notice that Frankie has 2 vacation request notifications. That is because Frankie is managing 2 projects, which Luigi is a project member of. Here are those 2 projects. Now, focusing on the target project, or projects in this case, we can see a coloured block has been added to the project timeline that, when hovered, shows the details of the vacation request made by Luigi. Clicking the hovered link, we open a dialog which is used to accept or reject the request. In this instance, let's accept it. Notice that the coloured block turns red, indicating that you've accepted the request for that particular project. Let's do the same for the other project that Luigi is a member of. Let's complete the second project here and accept that vacation request. We will also do it for this project manager as well, Mario in this case. Okay, returning to Luigi, we see that the pending vacation request here is updated to indicate the new acceptances here. Also notice that a vacation acceptance notification was sent back to Luigi here. Let's continue with the rest of the acceptances. I think this is the last acceptance required to cover all of the project's acceptances. Notice when issuing the final acceptance, the vacation request is removed from the area of the timeline and now appears as an approved vacation. It is only viewed when toggling the display approved vacation switch here. The approved vacation block is moved higher up to separate it from the pending requests. Going back to Luigi, we can see that the pending vacation is now an approved vacation. And hovering it, we can see the acceptance badges from all the project managers. Now, let's consider a rejected vacation request. We will issue another vacation request from Luigi. Now, going to a receiving project manager and finding the new request, let's issue a rejection and provide a reason. We will complete the rejection under this project here, AI-powered chatbot development. Notice that the vacation request block is removed and replaced with a drop-down containing the rejected vacation. Now let's return to Luigi to see the result of the rejection. Notice the rejected badge plus the reason given from the project manager, Willie in this instance, for the project AI-powered chatbot development. Okay, as a last demonstration, let's consider the scenario that a project manager wishes to change their mind and instead accept a vacation request instead of the rejection already imposed. Let's go back to the PM who issued the rejection here, under this project here. In the drop down, let's click the request and then accept it. The vacation request reappears on the timeline as a red block and the drop-down item disappears. Going back to Luigi, we see that particular vacation request has been moved to pending once again, rather than the rejected that it once was. That concludes this tutorial looking at vacation requests with projects. See you in the next tutorial where we will look at the dashboard and project archiving.